Gomez at your service alongside Coach Mike Perez and Sidney Crespo for the Reyes. Now it's Jordan Rios. Pass back to Kobe. And that's a shot conversion for Kobe Bryant Pableo. Three-pointer. And Jennifer Cabanag makes his the first basket of Caloocan. 3-all now. Over 2 minutes gone by. Jordan Rios, the former champion, able to connect with his former teammate in San Juan as well.
Mindoro, I mean, you have recipients such as Ken Bono and even Paul Desiderio. You know, it favors you as a player.
As Gabby Espina scores inside they go. Kobe Pableo. Backing down against Ronnie Matias. It's usually not a good idea, but then Kobe was able to score.
Prowess of itong Caloocan. Actually, nagfe-favor sa Caloocan because hindi masyadong tumatakbo ang Mindoro. So their zone will actually be activated almost in each.
Batang Kalu on the run. Achi Inigo. Cabanag almost the same spot, same result. Others would argue Paul Sanga. As Romel Calahat is also trying to make his case. Tay fires, no good. Forward pass. And this is a breakaway layup for Gabby Espinas.
Especially when they go zone, it's really difficult to be going up against that setup.
Tay Todoro though says Inigo will pull up. That's short. Offensive rebound. The lob. Gabby Espinas takes his time and he scores.
So far, yeah.
Of Mindoro, with JJ Caspet tied with Paul Desiderio at 21.
At saka yung game na yun, that was against a very active, perimeter talaga ang Mindoro to run out in the open as they opt to set up their half-court set, especially on that triangle.
Angelio Cervantes scores inside.
Re-screen.
A minute to go before the end of one. Joel still has it. Ronnie Matias will fire. That's his second three.
Well, the big...
Here's Andoy Estrella. Decoy Lopez fires. That's a three-pointer. The second of Mindoro in this game. As now we get to see the first quarter field goal shooting. 6 out of 17, 9 out of 19. And that's a 10th field goal. 16. Biggest lead was 12. 8 minutes and 40 in the second. Huerto able to get some retribution.
Lalo na in the absence of Ken again.
It's a +7 right now in terms of rebounding for Batang Kalu. That was a nice pass. Valencia to Real Cervantes from downtown. To Caloocan. Decoy Lopez, pass inside. Good find to Andoy Estrella. A miss by Olivares, and here comes Joel Liu. To Palencia, bounce pass. Cervantes is feeling it.
Minutes in that game, didn't even score. So maybe just trying to feel the game pa after coming back.
He's only at 80%.
Yeah.
As Damian Lasco makes a three-pointer. Jesse Sumoda onto Prince Casin. Lasco, same angle. Same result. Caloocan is now 8 out of 18 from Curryland, while Mindoro is 2 out of 13 as Jordan Rios makes a two-pointer.
The game is not coming for them.
Hilo, Sumoda turns around. Jesse, nice play.
Minsan pinakamaganda talaga para hindi makakuha ng bola yung bigs, yung papasahan, dapat depensahan mo na. Make it difficult for the passer to even see a target. And then kung ikaw naman yung gumagwardya dun sa bigs na yun, na one pass away, you have to make it difficult for him to even show a hand or receive that ball.
By Andoy Estrella. Tayong Tong turns around, he got fouled. Basket and one for Joko Tayong Tong.
Ganda ng matchup na yun, Joko versus Andoy. Sorry.
Come on,
sorry.
Coach Mike.
Oh my God.
Rios got blocked, and here comes Caloocan on the run. Tayong Tong to Damian Lasco for two.
Oh my God.
Numbers for Mindoro. Can they capitalize? Jordan Rios pulls up. High looper, yes. 10 seconds. Joko Tayong Tong. Swing to the left. Prince Casin leans in. It's too easy. Week on Monday, we shall proceed to Bataan. This is Caspe. He turns around and scores. Missed by Calahat. And here's Andoy. Estrella on the move. Kick out. Olivares for three. That's good. What a start for Mindoro. What I say, it's good to see Ronnie Matias deploy that full court press for himself and his teammates as Lester Reyes scores inside.
Good help.
How about that? Unselfishness for Batang Kankalu.
Mintes pero maganda yung attempt dahil maganda yung movement ng mga tao nitong Caloocan against that zone.
I thought you were gonna say magandang shooting form ni Paul Sanga.
Mindoro.
They are the veterans after all, alongside Lester Reyes. Nice pass! And the finish by Gabby Espinas.
That happens to be Gabi, and you have very willing passers in Matias.
Lester Reyes, his turn to fire. He will score.
Kailangan nila.
The first one for Lester Reyes. Again, the high-low. Ronnie Matias connecting with Gabby Espinas. Taking on his former teammates. Matias, three-pointer.
Oh, wow. He's really feeling it today.
It's his third.
Quarter, nadaanan kami ni Coach JR at nag-I love you Ming pa itong si Rail. Sabi ko, ano yung Ming? Tawagan daw nila yon kasi mahilig sila sa pusa nung college pa.
Sila Coach JR tsaka si Rail. May chance kaya na si Rail magko-coach eventually or be part of the coaching staff in the future, no? Oh.
That's a good point. As Paul Sanga, another former FEU. Paul Sanga to Gabby Espinas. 5 on the shot clock. Step back three. Oh, wow. In and out and in for Gabby Espinas. But they have matched their free throw attempts in the first half here in this third frame. That was a nice pass, a nice catch, and a nice shot by Paul Sanga. Paul Sanga, bounce pass, nice cut, nice pass as well. 2 points for June Bonsubre. Seconds to go, Ralph Olivares, forward, Rodel Vaigan, the sniper of Mindoro, able to score from downtown. Rodel Vaigan, JJ Caspe, and the other two can serve as inspirations to those back in their hometown.
Effectively, and that's a huge quarter for Mindoro, pero consistent at roughly 24-25 per quarter itong Caloocan.
Great effort by Irvin Palencia. Ball tapped and recovered by Palencia. It's Leo once again. That's his shot. Too easy.
So gusto talagang umiscore eh.
Back in season 4, he was with Jeremy Gabanag and Coach Alex Angeles in Bacolod, as now Tate Adoro just made a three-pointer. We're back with Mindoro. Lester Reyes will fire. In and out. Well, recovered by a white shirt, and Caspe will score. And by the way, I'm not yet done. Tingnan natin kung magkaka-free throws pa siya ulit. Isa-isahin natin ang kanyang kwento. Gabby Espinas with an easy finish. So far in the 6th season of the MPBL.
And going up against those teams would really put to test kung ano yung mga adjustments na nagawa nila. I'm sure.
Basketball ending partner of the MPBL, Basta Ending, Game X. Oh, nice fake by Joko and the feed to Prince Kasin. Almost a steal there. Rodel Vaigan, a lot of time. Apex 3.
Ang hirap kaya ng tira na yun.
Paano pa kaya yung 15 years ago?
Correct.
Kung gaano kataas yung jump shot niya.
Correct.
As Prince Kasin makes a three-pointer. Rios found an opening. Sorry, miss. But there's the cleanup. Rios has 19 points and 8 rebounds, by the way. But that will not be enough against